Hello, you movers, and welcome back. We are going to be doing a bike handover this morning. And before I do, I just wanted to show you before it goes to its forever home. So we do a lot of the ENGWEs, as I'm sure you will know. And this one may look very familiar, or you'll think it looks very familiar. That is the ENGWE L20 3.0, but this is the Pro version. So this is our first Pro version within it. Usually the most popular one that we do is the Boost. So the major differences within that, there's £300 difference. So the 3.0 Boost is $13.99. And then this Pro model is $16.99. So what do you get for the extra 300? Well, amazingly, an absolute ton. So I was really surprised when it was going through the differences yesterday. So at the bottom there, you may well have noticed the Pro actually has a full mid-drive motor. So that is the MyFi 700. So what else do you get? You get a much bigger battery, so you now get a 720 watt hour battery with this as opposed to the 648 in the Boost. So that now gives you a range of 150 kilometers on that. But one of the really cool bits of this bike, and particularly for the Pro upgrade, is not only the LED display which you get, which is amazing. It has the built-in horn within it, bum bum bum, which is great. It also comes with this really cool feature. So on the app, you can now track the bike. So it has the Pro version actually has GPS built into it and 4G and Bluetooth. So it has the full Internet of Things suite on it. So for £300 more, you're getting a full mid-drive motor. You're getting a GPS tracker, 4G, Bluetooth. You're getting an extra 30 kilometers of range, and you're getting a 720 watt hour motor. Um, it is massively powerful. The big thing about it is that on the Boost, it is a 75 Newton meter, but this on the Pro is 100 Newton meters. So much more powerful is the Pro. Um, so an extra 25 Newton meters, which is huge on that bike. It feels massively smooth. You're getting a much bigger battery and you're getting a GPS tracker. So for £300, it's a massive upgrade. So we'll be gutted to be seeing it go, and we'll probably be getting one of our own very soon as well. It is that impressive. So yeah, so for £16.99, get it delivered, assembled, fully checked, and ready to go. Any questions about any of the ENGWE models, please just let us know. If you want to test any of them, call in store and you can try as many as you want. All right, speak soon. Hello.